Hello. If you wonder for how long your Tapo C120 camera records, basically it records for 24/7, but you have to enable this option in the settings. So let's select our camera, our device. Let's go into the camera settings and go into storage and recording right here. And we have to change the recording schedule because right now by default we have recording schedule selected to detection recording. That basically means that when the camera detects any of these options, in my case that would be person detection and motion detection, but you can turn on all of these options. Like if I, for example, have baby crying detection turned on, when the camera hears a baby crying, then it will start recording. So when you have when the camera detects any of these options, it will start recording. But to turn on the continuous recording, we have to go into our storage and recording options, recording schedule right here, and right now we have to press edit, select the continuous recording right here, and select all. Okay, and just like this, the camera now should record for 24/7, so you simply have to accept the changes right here, and that's how you do it. So the camera does record for 24/7, but you have to enable this option in your settings. So thank you for watching and please subscribe.